Somebody near my free banana.
She pass your other side. Why can't she come here? Because there's a sun there.
Yeah, because of the walking.
In Ghana, I haven't heard anybody taking COVID vaccine and then dying from it. It's very simple. You may have some few symptoms, malaise, body pain here and there, but that's after a day it will go. Just take a painkiller or analgesic. Research is still limited for us to know the long-term effects. But what I can say is that it is safe for now. Thank you. So this free medical outreach by the Susu Health Outreach Team is actually the second outreach we are having this year. The first one was in April this year. So this free medical outreach is something that the Honorable Member of Parliament for Madina constituency, Honorable Francis Susu, wants to do on a regular basis to provide reliable, medical care to his constituents and at their doorstep at no cost. It's part of the mandate of the health project which the Honorable has set up to help achieve his health vision. So we are doing it at 4 electoral areas. Where we are currently is in Pantana East electoral area at the Baba Yara School. We also having the same thing happening at Tema electoral area, the Tema School. The same thing is happening at Okatama electoral area at the Pentecost Church near Adenta Pharmacy. We have the same thing happening at North Legon, that's at the Adonai Church. So this is an ambitious thing and it has come to pass. The vision of the Honorable is so great that he has set up this health project that we are all supporting to make it, to help him fulfill it. The disease we've come across so far, we have the upper respiratory tract infections, malaria, hypertension, and some came and realized their blood sugars were high, so diabetes. We've done appropriate referrals for those cases. This medical outreach is actually something that we plan to do it on a regular basis. We will visit all electoral areas during the tenure of the MP, and like I said, we do it at 4 electoral areas this time around. And we are having free medical consultation, free medications, we are having free eye screening, and then treatment. We are providing free eyeglasses. We are also having COVID vaccinations. So for those who are not taking their vaccines yet, they have come to take their vaccines. For those who haven't taken their first dose and those who have already taken their first dose, they have come for their second dose. Yeah, so this is something that we will continue doing, these outreaches. And this is not the end of it. The next quarter we'll plan for something early 2022. Vaccinations, we've vaccinated over 200 people so far. Apart from that, everyone continue a year registration into the NHIS free of charge. People who are 17 years and below and those who are 70 years and above, they come and they register them free of charge. So this is the second time our Honorable MP from Madina constituency, the health team, a year medical outreach way, Ebwa constituency, to make sure that Omo health is going on well. We've picked up high blood pressure in them, that's hypertension. Ebimu came with cough symptoms, upper respiratory tract infections, and Ebimu came with diabetic, condition. We say Omo blood sugar was through. When we found out, no more reduce, but Omo, so we advise them to also continue taking the medicine. Now, Omo Trust and call hospital for review. Aside that, some few people came and then we did malaria tests and they had malaria. So these are some of the conditions that you are picking up during the screening. Very safe. Me say my COVID was first and second dose. Very safe. Yeah, well, all vaccines here, Pfizer, AstraZeneca, any Moderna. For AstraZeneca, any Moderna, second dose. But Pfizer, no, yeah, it's very safe. You know, nothing will happen to you if you take it. It's safe. Good care of our health. Also, Sustainable Development Goal 3, just about good health and well-being. So this is the contribution of Honorable Francis Egasosu towards the attainment of the SDG 3. Advise that we all take care of our health. Let's know that COVID is real. Let's take the vaccines and protect ourselves. Thank you.
Chronic diseases and also treating the acute ones, malaria, those with diarrhea. Apart from that, there's nothing else. So we're having to at least take advantage of the opportunity, especially those who haven't taken the COVID vaccine. So at least try and take it to prevent them from at least getting the serious aspects of the disease. And also to practice your safety protocols, like wearing your face mask and washing. That's a little like
That's a trend.
Yeah, I've benefited in this outreach program because not that you get the medicine, the doctors will talk to you, how you live your life. My left side, that's COVID. Everybody is rushing there to take their goods. So I can see we are not paying, it's free, and we enjoy it. If this thing will go on, we will like it, because this is what we want. When you go to hospital, you spend so many hours, but they will not attend to you. But here, you come within a 30 minutes time, you solve our problem, and add to it the advice us how to live life so that you avoid sickness and certain things. Thank you.
Thank you.
What I did my municipal health directorate for Ejumana Wamuye and Susu. Na medical outreach need it's one of the many outreaches at Yewa, Yaguso, NSA. There were 4 different electoral areas. We share medical doctors who do some volunteer or more any nurses, any health workers. Would you mean a boom or mobile best 50 and now one moody segment at the Abuain? Share any malaria, sugar. And sugar test and hepatitis B for ebinomo and we share corona vaccines here a be sure say you meet me aqua war way about all the centers are here encouraging professor Mumbana or Mum vaccinity. Now me say we are here senior beya the Bema ya pomodin and Madina a bit me a pija akon. They call Babaya Rasi Nipa a good on the doors. And look at me draw no more say a doma bar no panel, not do draw na ya show mama maybe. A hands so I obey. But it's no papa, Nediana, Hanana, and Yas and Peter Accra. Now me free here, I think I may be for Tema, no matter senior, Median air cost or Tema. But so far, idea many so say, Nipa Mehuso Mabano. I am very excited to say, Nipet me Pia, Wamusha Mapomodi. Some of the centers require free NHIS registration, and it's going so well. Babaya Rasi, we share Nipa Pia, NHIS registration, the amount for free now, not a idea so any
Honorable, do my dear be say, upon the
Parliament, once I'm not media to me, also say, SSM here de Buano, na SMN and this taking initiative, Namina for France and Mobuano. Now, Mecca say, Miame MP, Fanny saying, my salaries, Niamano, and I'm in Wabano Kaka, and I'm the maybe. Apart from Sasuno, Essa say, when they are setting up as a project, and Nipa do go on and say a project into there will be so more donating Eddie Boy and say I buy medical doctors who do not me volunteers and Omunji Sikibia, any chance for registry or more any of my sim, or most volunteers on the Eddie Boy. Health directorate needs to know almost tomorrow workers ebaya almost omoyejman Eddie Abua for free. Eduania Ebedi Kanye or Eduania Ebia Eddie Boy for free. Across any Swadi who was sending the Swadi who na obie hu se wodi lukredie e na wodi di wajuma omo ankasa epie ebe bo adwuma die na madwuma die ewie peye ti so far na donations ahodu ankofo e di amayen ene mia mi so media kakra mabo ano e di aboa health project no ene ye di se adwuma die ayedi na me ma obi afishapa na ye bom paye se afi beko asan baba abetu ye biem na wo hwe wo maya yetimu ye a corona issues no ekodi ba enko pra sisi afeni yati se new variants eba omicron yesi enu na eba sisi a mesre se nya obeye bia afimo no na wa ya hwe yiye na kai wobusua na kai se bibi biara beto no na enye won kwa na ato ebusua na ato obi ansoso sine be ya ene di ahwe yiye e di bebo bra Uko parties and now ye, Uti came one wash and ye, baby, I will be an Ubekaya, who face mask, no Danny Dan, who face mask and now washing. Say, sanitizer, I see you, Kakana will use you, say Ube cleaning one sap from time to time. What's the way in Anua? Imagine say a bebwa. Na media me bon paye say, a few more yebesino, when you cook on a dome in the Humobro, a bedosu, and their mayen, senior Beya, Yamabekoyi, and we must send your Maya day. We shall send ya aban a choir aban the year first one. She said, look at your meaning a yakakra, e levy ya yakwa quite yasano. They say, I buy a bonnet was a day of a sort of the end. Say, Yama went to buy a dear Bema Nippon bet in the more. We share some taxes who do I see increase, especially statutory charges here. We want to send Nipa Beko Hospital Crown, hospital or Becono, who consultation feeling Yamina Beko High. It's a day I will mind Yama Bedi. But Yamina may born in Piese or Nunya Kupon or Shannon Basso. Now, where Yamia, just say, or Yabatampa. What mean? A shell will be as no better ama a biaso biaso senior beya. What money ye descend the area. Yenna, ye bit me at Nas Ewas in Bio Council. Madame Masina Mishamina.